Lizzo, stay the fuck out the kitchen.
Get that load in, sell that shit the same day. Hell no, we can't kick it, bitch, I'm out here catching play. Bitch, free my brother, he gon' make it home safe. Cracking hard off these phones, bitch, we came a long way. I been stretching, getting G's, I ain't even faking. Catch that nigga on that block, we gon' get this spraying. A couple G's for this watch, yeah, this bitch banging. SRT on the block, I'm in this bitch swinging. This nigga capping while he frontin' like he on shit. I'm outside with 10 million, it's 4 niggas. And I bust a nigga head and show him how I get. Your baby ran up on his ass to take you out your shit. These niggas swear that they don't go, but they ain't did shit. Hit his ass in his head, leave his head split. A couple G's for that fire, this that one shit. Spend them G's, get it back, this that fun shit. Fire A's coming down, they be everywhere. Like what you need, bro, hit my phone and we gon' get it there. I be really bad back and I don't play it fair. If it ain't about the bread, you ain't gon' see me there. Showed your girl a couple G's and she kept smiling. Knocking heads off from far, SRT glide. If the boys try to chase, we gon' keep flying. Man ran in this bitch, we gon' keep rhyme. Why these niggas steady watching, man, these niggas fried. But that move with my dog, yeah, we really slime. 10 milli hit his face, watch that nigga cry. Man, these niggas really bitches, they can't see the guys. Man, you niggas really hoes, where you niggas at? I get on ass with my dog, we don't fuck with rats. Knock his head off his body, leave his body flat. These 10 rings in his car, got this car going. Get that load in, sell that shit the same day. Hell no, we can't kick it, bitch, I'm out here catching play. Bitch, free my brother, he gon' make it home safe.